Starlink not working? Quick fixes for power, Wi-Fi, and app issues. So is your Starlink not working? I tested a quick fix for power, Wi-Fi, and app issues, and here's what actually solved it. So if you're having issues with your Wi-Fi connection, go through the troubleshooting steps below to help root cause. So, first is to run an advanced speed test from the Starlink app. So, both inside and outside of your home, screenshot the results after each test. If the device to router speeds are lower than router to internet speeds, proceed with the following steps to improve Wi Fi performance. So, first, make sure your Mini is centrally located with respect to the most common usage areas in your home. A few things to note. Wi-Fi performance is best underneath and behind the Mini. The maximum coverage we expect from the integrated Mini router in a single-story home centrally located on your home's roof is up to 112 M2, and metal roofs, concrete, and brick interior or exterior walls can adversely impact Wi-Fi coverage and range. Now, split your network band to create separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. This can improve compatibility for devices that don't support 5 GHz connection. So, to do that, go to the Starlink app, head over to settings, click on network name, toggle on split 2.4/5 GHz network. So, 5 GHz performance is expected to be better when closer to your Mini, and 2.4 GHz may be better when farther from your Mini in low congestion environments. So if speed is much worse inside of your home's construction and or size is suspected to be the root cause, consider hardwiring a router or adding an additional router to your network available on the Starlink shop. And that is how you can basically fix Starlink not working, fixes for power, Wi-Fi, and app issues.